I truly believe that anyone can learn to draw if they put in the time and the effort. Hi, I'm Emily from the Pencil Room. I'm an artist and I teach drawing and painting classes for adults. Drawing is one of those things that people who don't draw often wish that they could, but they usually feel like it's a skill that you either have or you don't have. I've been teaching drawing for over 10 years and I'm a firm believer that you can learn how to draw. A lot of learning to draw comes from understanding why it's so difficult and overriding some of those blocks that we have. And this course is designed to introduce you to practical drawing techniques, but also to help you understand the reason behind doing them. And a lot of it comes down to changing the way that we see. We need to learn how to see like an artist sees. I've taken what I've learnt from many years of teaching adults to learn to draw in person, and I've put it together in this 5-part Learn to Draw course. Now, there are no quick tricks to learning how to draw, and so practice over time is really important. And I suggest you take this course over 5 weeks. Each part contains explanations, exercises, demos, and projects for you to work on in your own time. We start by learning about drawing materials and how to use them, and then move into how to sketch and how to shade 3-dimensional objects. Once we've got you up and drawing, we'll go over the all-important proportion techniques, and then I'll take you through the demo for a drawing project to bring all of these skills together so you can then take those skills and work on any kind of drawing that you want to in the future. People come to my drawing classes for different reasons. Some have always wanted to learn how to draw but never had the time. Others used to draw when they were younger and they want to get back into it. Whatever your reason is, if you're willing to put in the time and the practice, then I can teach you how to draw.